Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you Pika Labs versus Runway ML. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. Let's begin with going to our web browser here, and as you can see, I have here a side-by-side comparison of Runway ML and Pika Labs. As you can see here, we have two different platforms where they function the same. They will be able to animate a picture for you using AI. So here you can see that with the two different platforms, with Runway ML, it's actually done through the website wherein you have the option to turn your text or image into an animated video. That's the same process as well with Pika Labs, but instead of directly generating the images using their website, you actually will be redirected to Discord, and that is where you will be able to generate your animated images. So as you can see here, I'm currently logged in with my Runway ML account. It's definitely for free, so you can definitely use it for your animations or short animations that you can use, especially if you want to make it quick and with the help of AI. So with Pika Labs here, you need to create a Discord account if you haven't made any yet. And then once you have successfully logged into your Discord account, you will be added automatically into the Discord server of Pika Labs, and they will ask you a few questions about what's your purpose of using Pika Labs and what is your main goal in using this platform. As you can see, the first thing that you will welcome you is the informations and how to use Pika Labs. And the first thing that you actually need to do before using Pika Labs is that you need to verify your email. So there's a bunch of steps before you will be able to successfully generate AI images or AI animated images, or animation rather. So here you can see there is a Pika Lab with a fox-like logo. So we will try to use the server here. So you can either create your own server so that you will be able to upload videos there as well. But here, you can definitely use the other channels in the Pika Lab server for you to generate your images. So you'll be able to see details as well and who are the users or the current users for Pika Labs. And you will see here at one of their channels, here under generate 1, 2, 3, you can definitely choose either what channel you will be wanting to generate or animate the images. You can simply type in a prompt that's / and then type in animate, and then you will be able to simply drag and drop the image into your Discord account so that you'll be able to animate an image, like as what you can see here with Runway ML. Here with Runway ML, it's actually simpler, or it's comparing it to Pika Labs, it's more user-friendly for me. But the thing here is that it's actually limited to how many images you will be able to generate. So for example, you want to generate an image here with Runway ML and animate it. You can just simply click on text to image or text or image to video, and you can simply click on image and then drag and drop the image file into the box provided and just click on generate 4-second video. That's the purple button on the left side of our screen here. So the difference between the Runway ML is that it's very simplified. You'll only be able to view the animated videos from your images in your account. But comparing it to Pika Labs, it actually will animate the videos for you as well, or animate the images that you uploaded. But you will also be able to see the other users' videos as well that they animated using Pika Labs. So as you can see, here is the animation that Pika Labs made for us. And we will have a side-by-side comparison on the animation that Runway ML did for us as well. So as you can see with Runway ML, there's more movements comparing to Pika Labs. Pika Labs is more on blinking, and most of it is focused on the subject. While with the Runway ML, it actually creates the animation with the puppy moving and the model or the subject, which is the girl, is also moving as well. So we'll have another example here. We'll be uploading this artwork where it's like an ocean wave. We will upload it both here with Pika Labs as well as here on Runway ML. And we will see on what is or how they will animate the images without a person or without the portrait of a person in the image. So we'll have a comparison whether is it better to use Pika Labs for portraits, or is it better to use Pika Labs for landscapes or Runway ML, depending on what images you like. But you can definitely use both if you want to have a lot of options. That's definitely not a problem. So here with Pika Labs, just simply type in at one of the channels in the Pika Labs server and type in / and then select animate. And then you will just drag and drop the image right there. So here we just need to wait for our image to be fully animated, or you can simply type in the search box here your username, and there's actually the option where it mentions your username, and one of the options was the first mention or the image that we've generated here with Pika Labs. So here with Runway ML, you can see that you'll be able to see the percentage of how much percentage it has done with the animation. And it will notify you as well when the animation is already complete. So as you can see, when we play the sample here for Runway ML with the animation, it actually just more like shrinks the video or the image for our video. That's the movement or the animation that they created for our image, which is a wave-like image. So comparing this to our ocean wave, there is a very few or just a minimal movement that we can see here with both Pika Labs and Runway ML. But if you will have it side-by-side comparison, Runway ML has more movements comparing to the Runway ML when they will be generating images like these ones. Even with the example that we had earlier, the girl with the kitten actually has a lot movements with Runway ML generation comparing it to the Pika Labs. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to use Pika Labs and Runway ML, and you will be able to compare it whether which animation with the help of AI you will be using. If you want a lot of movements into your animation, you can use Runway ML. But if you just want to have a minimal movement into your animation or the image that you want animated, you can definitely use Pika Labs as well. But Pika Labs is definitely for free and no limit, while here with Runway ML, there is actually a limit with how many seconds you will be able to use before you will be running out with all those seconds that is allocated for you each month. And if you have plans on using it commercially or professionally, you can definitely upgrade to their other plans as well in Runway ML. And that's basically it. That's the Pika Labs and Runway ML with the side-by-side comparison. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!